Okay, good afternoon everyone. So I'm Pratibha Sharma. Here I am going to teach you a topic that relates circulation. Circulation means what? Means something that moves, means something that has a tendency to move in a circular manner. Is there anything in our body that moves in a circular manner? So yes, there is everything. So many things. If you want to talk about the nervous system, the message that pass through the brain to the body and again from brain to the body and at the end from body to the brain. But what I'm actually going to talk about that relates something our heart, and that is actually the circulatory system. Circulatory system. So here you all have learned about the structure of heart. You have seen it is bilayered. The outermost pericardium, the innermost is inner pericardium. There is space between them which has a fluid, pericardial fluid, and it prevents the heart from the external shocks. Now the question arises, we do know about muscular pouch-like structure that is present below the third rib. Somewhere it is tilted, and because of which one lung is only two lobed, okay, and the another is three lobed. Why? Because that lung has to give space to that heart. This is the reason why we have a lung which is bilobed or two. Now here, let's have a look. So I'm going to make a plus here which will help you to understand how the circulatory system helps or how does it occur. The very first thing, as I have said, I will be making a plus. Before starting this, my right must be your left and my left must be your right, because it is all because of the mirror effect. If you have learned in physics, mirror effect. Okay, so now what I am doing, I am actually using your way, that this will be right and this will be left. The very first thing, right and left. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now, if we talk about the heart, I am not drawing the actual structure. I want you to understand first the main internal part of the heart. Then we can easily understand the structure along with the processing. So here, the upper two part, which if we are going to mark it like that, the part that belongs to one, it is auricle. It is auricle. Now we have right auricle, we have left auricle. Then in the second row we have ventricle. Left ventricle and the right ventricle. I hope this is clear. Now the reason behind parting them. We do have partition in our heart. The reason behind this partition is it prevents the blood to get intermixed. It prevents them getting intermixed together. Why? Because there is a kind of blood that is impure and there is one kind of blood that is pure. Now question arises, how pure and how impure? As we breathe, we are taking up not oxygen, we are actually taking up the air, and the lung, it diffuses only oxygen inside the blood. So now that blood has what? This blood has oxygen in it. So now this blood will be called oxygenated blood. Now that oxygen has been used by the body, because we know there is a process of respiration. Respiration needs oxygen, and from where it is going to get that? From the blood only. So that oxygen we have already utilized and has got energy. Now that blood will be taking up the carbon dioxide. Our body never accepts this carbon dioxide. So now what is going to happen? The blood now which is alone will get combined with carbon dioxide and it will get diffused out. Okay, so what has been done? There was one oxygenated blood and another deoxygenated blood. I hope this part is clear. Now let's get back to the topic here. Auricle ventricle. The tendency of auricle is to receive. So now you must be thinking like we have to learn auricle for receiving. So once again I have something for you people, that is this A. It comes first. It comes first. So A means receive and B at the very last means it is in the last column. We release. A accepts, we release. So here this A will receive and we will release. So what we are going to receive? Oxygenated or deoxygenated blood? We will be receiving oxygenated blood. Why? Because body needs oxygen. At what we will be releasing? Deoxygenated. Why? Because body does not allow carbon dioxide to get inside or to remain inside. Okay. So in this way we have learned what we have learned here. What we have learned here, we have